one of the most important things about the way the brain is organized is that you've got all these different systems in the brain, different areas of the brain, and you have to somehow figure out how to connect them and organize them and integrate them and make sure that there's smooth functioning between thinking and feeling and behaving. And you also have to somehow figure out how to make sure there's connections between the brain and the rest of the body so that you kind of work as a whole. And the way our brain does that is that there are these very, very important regulatory networks that originate in the lowest parts of the brain, and they send connections to every other system in the brain, every other part of the brain, and they also communicate with, both directly and indirectly, with the rest of your body. So they influence your heart, your lungs, your gut, your pancreas, and they're involved in, as you might expect, the stress response. And because of this sort of grand central station quality, these lower regulatory networks are responsible for so many functions. And one of the things that we know is that when this goes well, when those systems develop in a healthy way during development, experiences influence how those systems function. So if you have healthy relational experiences, lots of learning opportunities, you are in an environment where you're loved and you get attention and you have opportunities to explore the world in a healthy way, those systems develop pretty normally and they help the brain and body work in this smooth and integrated way.